Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Well, today I have come up with a useful video. Sometimes we feel like eating fruits, but we are too lazy and just don't want to cut it. So we'll be just showing two quick tips in which we can just cut and eat our delicious and healthy fruits in a little easier way. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do press a like button and leave a comment. I will be really happy to have you as a part of our family, so keep watching. Here, as you can see, I'm using this apple cutter. You will get it in any nearby shop. This will make my life easy. I can just cut the apple and I can just enjoy. You can do it with other fruits too, like guava, which are a little soft, pear, and even I tried once with onion. That also worked well as a part of the vegetable family. You can go ahead and try it. Hope this will also ease your life. Some of you must already be doing it, but I just felt like sharing. In case you haven't, please do give it a try. Now I'm going to show you the easiest way to enjoy your pomegranate. It's great for ourselves, our family, for the kids, but sometimes we are too lazy to take out the seeds. So try this easy way out to take out the pomegranate seeds, and I think you will definitely like it. So keep watching. Hey guys, hope you have liked today's video. I hope it will definitely give you little help in your day-to-day life, and definitely do subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Please do subscribe, and please do hit the like button if you have liked this video, and please do share with your friends and family. Bye for now. See you soon.